How to buy Aether Games Token. So first, you just have to simply click the link in the description down below. It will take you directly to this page or website right here. And once you're on your coin market, specifically Ether Games, you just have to scroll down, look for Polygon, and then copy this one. Now, after that, you can now scroll down and you will see here the list of exchanges that Ether Games token has listed. So all you have to do is to select one. So tap markets if you want to go directly. Okay, go to markets and then you have to scroll down here. This time, what we're looking for is Uniswap. So you have to click this Uniswap, okay, USDT slash AEG. So you have to click this one and then after that, you can now exit, and this time you have to download this Bybit. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to simply sign up, okay, and verify your account. You have to be fully verified in order for you to proceed or process everything here on Bybit. Okay, so once you're fully verified, what you're going to do is to go to assets that is located in the bottom right corner. And then here, what you're going to do is to look for deposit. Select payment method. We have here options, but you have to click this deposit with crypto. So tap this deposit with crypto or deposit crypto. And then what you're going to do next is to look for that specific token that you want to choose here in crypto and fiat. So once you have selected one, what you're going to do is to follow the instruction. For example, if you want a bank deposit, then follow the instructions for a bank deposit. And if you have this payment method like wire transfer, you just have to follow the instructions. So once you have deposited that specific amount here on your assets, on your Bybit, once you have deposited your cryptocurrency here, now it's time for you to convert a cryptocurrency to another. So you just have to go to convert and you can see here convert from BTC to USDT and so on. So let's just say, for example, you have your USDT here. What you're going to do next is to go back and then go to markets and then click spot. That is next to favorites. Click this one and then here you have to look or type AEG slash USDT. Below this buy and sell, tap this arrow facing down and then locate market. Enter the amount. Okay, and then click buy AEG. Okay, and that's it. And that's how easy it is to simply buy Ether Games token here on or using this Bybit. Now I'm going to show you how to buy in the centralized ways. So what you're going to do is to simply download this MetaMask. Okay, so if you don't have one, then you can go to Google Play Store or App Store and then download MetaMask. And then once you have downloaded it or installed it, all you have to do is to create an account. And this is the interface of MetaMask. Okay, and then what you're going to do here above, you can see this Ethereum and this arrow facing down. Tap that one, and we have to locate for Polygon. Okay, so once you saw that Polygon network, all you have to do is to add that. Okay, so you can see different networks right here, but what we're looking for is Polygon. So tap this arrow facing down, Polygon, and then activate it. As you can see, I have already activated my Polygon, so I can see it right here. So in case that you can't see it, then all you have to do is to go to add network and then look for Polygon mainnet. Okay, tap this one and then add to network. And if you go back, you will see it right here. What you're going to do now is to go to your web browser. So that is next to this arrow facing up and down. So tap this browser icon. Now, what you're going to do here is to look for Uniswap. So you have to click this search bar right here and then type Uniswap. Okay. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click Uniswap. Then it will take you directly to another page. And then here, what you're going to do is to select a token. But before that, what we're going to do here is to connect our wallet. So what we're going to do is to scroll down, and below this select token, you will see here connect wallet. And under connect wallet, you can see a different wallet right here or tokens right here. So all you have to do is to choose So one. Under connect wallet here, you can see different options. You have to look for MetaMask. Okay, so as you can see, connect to MetaMask, click connect again, and after that, you will see that one account is connected. So as you can see here, we have Matic and then select token. You just have to click the select token and then paste the URL that we have copied earlier from Polygon. And then after you paste that, then probably you will see the either or the AEG symbol right here. So let me paste it, and you will see that a EG, tap this one. Now you can enter the amount and convert it, okay, whatever amount you wish. Okay, and then once you have um, added or converted this amount to AEG, what you're going to do is to go to or go back to your homepage and then look for import token. Now you just have to simply enter whatever information needed to that import token, and you will see the result right here that you have already added an amount or the amount that you have converted from Matic to AEG. As simple as that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.